Chase here from Alsace Americana, taking a slab of red oak, going to turn them into Long Islands today. I'm going to show you the process on how we do that. It is July. We're getting ready for the holidays already. The orders are going to start coming in. You'll be able to contact us, let us know how many you need. We'll show you the finished product at the end of the video, and we're going to go through a few steps of how we make everything. So the first step, we're going to take the planer, hand planer. We're going to go through, we're going to start at the very edge, work our way all the way through the board. A lot of reasons why I like to do this. It will get the board flatter on both sides. Then when we overlap, it will actually really start to expose the grain. Then I can take my template and decide, do I want to mark it this way? Do I want to mark it that way? I try and make these gorgeous so that when you're finished product, you're looking at it, it definitely has some character, different grains. It should be a piece of beauty. It should be almost like everyone is different, and definitely artwork. So what we have here is we traced out Long Island. I actually never traced the barrier beach because what I like to do, I like to look across the grains and I kind of just draw it myself. And I know it's not exactly what the barrier beach is down there, but you see a lot of these for sale and they cut the barrier beach off. So all you have is this piece here, no barrier beach, and that's not really a good representation of Long Island. Laid out two out of this plank, and then I'm going to come over here and I kind of just look at the grain and I say to myself, you know, hey, how do we put that barrier beach back on there? Because, you know, I was just like everybody else. I bought one, it didn't have a barrier beach, and I didn't even have noticed it at the time, but I did notice it later, and I said to myself, wow, why is that not on there? But now, with the Long Islands that I cut, make, all this wood is local. It's Long Island trees. It's milled here on Long Island. Bill's information will be down below. If you want to scroll down there, reach out to him. He's a great guy. He can cut you anything you need for live edge, natural, even if you need planking for trailers. He does have hard oak down there. I know a lot of guys go down there and get their planks for their trailers cut from him. But anyway, getting back to Long Island. Okay, we just finished up with 60 grit on our palm sander. Got most of the bulwark done. Looking good. It's almost getting there. Taking off all the sharp edges. Nothing's gonna cut your hand when you grab these things. Now we're on to 120. Okay, we just finished up with the 120, ran through both of them, both sides. The grain is just jumping out. I mean, take a look at that. You can see it perfectly. We're now on to 220. I'm going to run through both of these. .220 is complete. We're moving on to the 320 grit sandpaper. These grains, I mean, just look at them. Just look at the grain on that. It's gorgeous. I mean, Well, there you have it. 2 Long Island. They're going to the kiln. They'll get dried. They'll get mailed off to fulfill that order. Get nice grains to them. We'll hit them with a little bit of mineral oil and use them for various different reasons. Cutting boards, charcuterie boards. We actually have a set right now. You'll see a picture of it with the charcuterie knives, all cellophane. It's a great gift idea. You can give these away for a lot of different reasons, buy them for different reasons. Maybe you're a corporation based here on Long Island and you want to give these out to your employees. Maybe you want me to put all the different locations of your business, put them on Long Island. I could wood burn them, I could stain them. There's a lot of different directions we can go with these. I'm open to ideas. I've seen people take them, paint them, hang them on the wall. You put one of those little strips in the back, and there it goes. It hangs on the back of the wall. It's a phenomenal gift. Anything to do with Long Island. I'm not solely Long Island. If you want to reach out to me, maybe you need a New Jersey, maybe you need a California, Montana, you guys get a discount because it's nice and easy to cut a square. But reach out to me. Let me know what you need. I'll cut it for you. I'll sand it. I'm going to put my pride into it, and you're going to get a product that you're not going to believe is this beautiful.